Hi, and welcome to 30K at Brooklyn Point. We have this beautiful one bed condo for rent immediately. I'm going to start off over here. Well, actually, let's go back over here first. And you've got a full Miele washer dryer. The apartment comes with Miele everything. Nice walk-in closet with automatic lights. 10-foot ceilings, which you are going to see shortly. I'm gonna save the best for last. Brand new, never used bathroom with marble and white ceramic custom tile finishes with huge medicine cabinets and custom face mirror. Best part, radiant heat so your little footsies stay warm. And look at this cool, very big tub with custom tiling. Deep soaking tub. And the best part, look at this amazing custom cabinetry. Miele everything, including a cool speed oven, regular oven, 4-burner gas range, Miele dishwasher, deep double wide sink, humongous Miele refrigerator with 2 freezer drawers. Look at that, you've got ice already. And look at this cool pull-out pantry. So much cool custom. And then look at this living room with views for days. So that continues on into the bedroom as well. This is all south facing. 30th floor views. And then you've got nice big double door closets with, again, 10-foot ceilings, automatic light. The entire apartment is central heat and air. And the building itself is as luxe as you can find them. You will have a pool, a sauna, a gym, concierge services. The list goes on and on. Roof deck, everything. Everything will be open by the end of this year and into early next year. If you are interested in renting, contact the Lee-Tessitore team at Compass. Thanks.